Hello everyone! It's your K-chingU in the Philippines, Riza, and welcome back to another video. And for today's video is a tutorial video on how to convert files online using I Love PDF website. I know that we are actually in the digital age, but most of our tasks are online. And one of the difficult thing is that if we cannot convert a certain file to another format. But don't worry, I'll be sharing with you one of my best buddies in completing the task online. Yes, I'm sure you are very familiar about conversions. Like for example, the file is actually a Word file, but then you need to have it on a PDF, or it will become PDF file, or you need it in a PDF file, or maybe it's from PDF file and then you wanted to convert it into PowerPoint file, and then you're just gonna be stuck at that moment, not knowing what to do. Don't worry, I'll share with you a very easy, and of course you don't have to pay anything, it's totally free. Let's go. And by the way guys, I've been using this for like a long time, like a very long time, and these really helped me a lot because sometimes you have to type a lot of words in the Word file because that's from PDF file, and that's a very hassle for me before. But then I was very glad I came to this website and it became my holy grail. Yeah, I'm gonna share with you. Yes, you can type on the Google www.ilovepdf.com. Well, even though the name is actually I Love PDF, but there's a lot of tools in one place. So as you can see, that's actually the homepage. Every tool you need to work with PDFs in one place. Yes, just like what I've said, it's 100% free and it's very easy to use. Yes, so it's not only for conversion also. You can split, you can compress, you can convert, rotate, unlock, and watermark PDFs with just a few clicks. Well, I've never tried watermarking PDFs here yet because most of my tasks are conversions and splitting and merging PDF. Yes, for example, I need to merge a Word file, but I could not do it with just the Word file itself. So what I always do, I try to convert it first, Word to PDF. And then after that, I could split each pages or maybe merge a certain range of pages. Like for example, there's 5 pages, but I need the page 1, page 4, and page 5. So I need to cut out the 2. So that's very easy. Yes, and for now, I'm going to show you how I do conversion. So let's say I wanted to convert the file into a PowerPoint file because I am going to present it to the class. So I'm going to click this PDF to PowerPoint. And by the way, guys, you can actually create your account for free. Yeah, here's my account here. Then you can see there, upgrade to premium and everything. But yeah, it's not necessary to upgrade. So you can just look at here. So PDF to PowerPoint, and let's start with a conversion. So you could see there, convert PDF to PowerPoint. So you have to select a PDF file, of course. So let's see here. Not that. Sorry. No. No. Okay, here we go. So as you can see here, there's a lot of PDF inside different folders. Yes, and as you can see, it's about Korean and Korean culture and everything. So let's try this, reading Korean with culture 1. Okay, I'm gonna click it out, just very easy. And then you can see there, that's the whole file, and that's 185 pages because that's equivalent to a certain book. Okay, so after that, you're gonna click convert to PowerPoint file. Then you have to wait for a couple of maybe minutes or sometimes it'll just take seconds. It depends. But since the file is a little big, yeah, it's 25.82 MB, so it's a little bigger. So yeah, you just have to wait for the time. And then, let's see. Okay. Alright. 22% more. 14% more. 7% more. Okay. And ta-da! Yes. Okay, you just have to wait. Patience is a virtue, guys, so you just have to wait. Alright, let's see. Yes, this is a very powerful tool that you can use, even if you're a teacher, or if you're a freelancer, or even if you're a student. Very, very helpful. And this is also one of my recommended websites. Sorry. Yeah, it'll take a few minutes because the file is so big. But yeah, you just have to follow the instructions there. You just wait until your files are uploaded and processed. Because of course, everything has a process. So let's just wait. Yeah, it's still converting, so let's just wait for a couple of minutes. But normally, if the file is not that big, it will only take a couple of seconds, maybe 30 seconds to load, or like 50 seconds to load. At this time, it's a little bigger, like the file is really big, and it's actually a colored file, so there's a lot of pictures, colored pictures, so it will take a few minutes to process. Yes. And yeah, while waiting, you can actually do other things. Okay, but you don't need to close the browser, because if you're gonna close the browser, you have to click and go to the process again. And there you are, guys. Okay, so your PDF has been converted to an editable PowerPoint presentation. And the good thing is that it's actually an automatic download. So you just have to wait for it to download. And see, I didn't click here, but it will automatically be downloaded. And then after that, you have to check the converted file to the format that you actually converted it to. So yeah, that's one of the things that you can do at I Love PDF. Yes. So if you can, or if you also like to split PDF, then you can just click this one. And I just wanted you to look at the PDF tools that you can find. You can merge, you can split, you can remove and extract pages and organize. Another, if you're gonna convert it from PDF, so that's PDF to JPG, or the picture. PDF to Word, to PowerPoint, to Excel, and to another, what's this? I'm not really sure what's this because I've never tried it. And you can also try to, like, from another format, and then you want it to become a PDF, that's also cool. JPEG to PDF, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, HTML to PDF, and there's another more. PDF security and everything. If you wanted to protect your PDF file, you can put protect it. And you can unlock also a protected PDF file, but I've never tried this. Maybe soon I'll try. And then you can rotate, add page numbers, add watermark, or just edit. So yeah, you can just use it in one place. So yeah, that's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And I hope that I've given another another useful thing that you can use in your daily tasks or daily schoolworks or paperworks and everything. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope that you will have a wonderful day. 감사합니다. 안녕.